Thanks for joining me for this brief video that highlights how the new Ideas and Feedback portal connects as a bridge between your customers and Team Foundation Server. As developers, we all know that building the right feature is critical to our success. Turning a general feature request into something that we can actually build can take a lot of work over many cycles. Unfortunately, we can't ask our customers to place their ideas directly in a Team Foundation server. TFS is just not meant for this sort of customer-driven idea exploration. Its user interface is not meant for non-developers, and then there's all those licensing considerations. This is where the TeamPule Ideas and Feedback portal can come into play. Customers who already have access to the portal can search for existing items, and if they haven't already been entered, enter them in themselves. The user interface was designed to be extremely easy to use. No matter what level of technical experience your customer has, they'll have no trouble finding and entering in ideas and feedback. Once the item is entered, developers can use the same portal interface to discuss the item directly with their customers. This discussion is captured right alongside the idea itself and can be shared with the rest of the portal viewers. Just think, no more email threads that can be hidden or lost. Notice that during this process, no one goes inside of TeamPule or TFS. Everything is handled through the portal. TeamPule allows you to define a simple status workflow for your ideas and feedback. Using these various states, customers can see just where along the process their idea lies. Now, just let your customers do all the rest. They can comment directly on the idea, vote it up or down, comment on it, ask for clarifications. In cases where your idea changes as your customer provides more details, you can go into TeamPule to update the original idea to make it clearer to your customers and better capture the current state of the discussions. In the end, you can allow your customer to directly drive where you put your development efforts. If an idea doesn't generate any votes with your customers, you can safely ignore that request. Once an idea has generated enough interest, it's an exceptionally easy process to get that information into Team Foundation Server. The first step would be to decompose the idea down into user stories. Often, customer-generated ideas are just too big to implement as a single item. TeamPule's Quick Linker allows you to easily break down the large idea into manageable related chunks that a developer can work against inside of TFS. Each of these stories are explicitly related back to the original customer idea, giving you 100% traceability. Using the Feedback tab, you're one click away from opening up the original idea information. Now it's just a matter of marking these stories for synchronization, and you're ready to bring them over to TFS. If you choose, these stories could be edited further inside of TeamPule. You could schedule them or provide additional supporting information, but if you prefer to work in TFS, then you're one quick synchronization away from taking all of the user story data and placing it inside of TFS. So, that gives you a quick overview of how you could use TeamPule's new Idea and Feedback portal to connect directly with your customer.